Greetings, family. Greetings and welcome. Thank you so much for joining me on this virtual tour of Comedic Trading Group. I'll be your host, your good brother, David Brown, but affectionately known here at KTG as Brother Nasut Imamu Atumre. I'm the lead financial analyst here at KTG, as well as the head instructor at KTG University. And I want to jump right into it. I'm very honored to do this. So let me not waste any time. All right. So the first thing what happens is once you click onto our link, ktguniversity.thinkific.com, you will be greeted with our official page. Once you come to the official page, you can come right over and you can stroll down and you will see all of the courses that are displayed, that are available to the public. We have the level 1 KTG training course at $150, one-time fee for life. That's a one-time fee. You would have this course for life. You would be able to access these lessons for life for $150. We have the KTG library that is free to people. Again, once you sign up for it, you have that for life. You'll have access to 21 lessons. Very, very, very useful information in there. And again, that's free. I know you guys love free, right? And we also have the Follow Me strategy, 80%, 90% win rate. That's a very high profitability strategy. And again, it's at $50, one-time fee. You would have lifetime access to that. But the good thing about it, we could bundle, and what we do is we actually bundle the level 1 KTG training course with the Follow Me strategy. So it's a one-time fee of $150. And you would actually get both of those with enrollment to the course. But what I want to do is actually focus on the level 1 training course and go through the curriculum of that particular course. Once you go through the sign-in process, that will have you to be able to build a profile. You would have a login, a password, everything that you need to access your account or your courses at any given time. So this is a take your time, move at your own leisure, your own speed kind of university. We're not in a race. You can take your time and you could come and, access the courses at any time. Right? We actually encourage people to take their time and really, really obtain and absorb the information because, again, this is a business that's not get rich overnight. But we do realize that if you have a strong grip, a strong hold, a good insight of the market, you can be very profitable and you can have longevity in profitability. So, yes, we really, really do recommend to take your time. And that is the whole reason for you to build your profile so you'll be able to visit the site at any given time. So right away, once you go through the sign-in process, as you can see, I already went through the sign-in process. I have my dashboard, I have my profile and whatnot, and so we're going to go right into the criteria, the curriculum. And what we have right away, you'll be greeted with right away is they will show you a video on how to use this course. It's basically showing you, how to pause it, how to kind of maneuver through the course and whatnot. It's a quick little video. Each video will allow you to either mark it as incomplete or just continue as completed, and it will take you to the next session. After that, we have a message from the instructor, right? A very quick message. Then you would be taking a survey, a 3-question survey that will give us KTG more insight of the person that we're dealing with so that we can customize a trading system around your thought process. Here, one of our models is perception and preference. And so we want to kind of see and help you build a perception of the market and help you build a preference, a way of going about what you actually see in the market. So that's our thing right there. The next chapter is chapter 1, which would be trading psychology. The trading psychology is very important because we feel like, again, we want to build a perception, and the perception of 95% of the traders in the market is not right, because there's a deficit of 95% losing rate, 5% winning rate in this game. So already, just in layman terms, we don't want to do what the 95% is doing. However they looking at the market, we do not want to do. We actually want to do the total opposite of what they're doing in order for us to be in that winning rate. So trading psychology is first. Again, you would be met with 3 questions afterwards. What did you learn and whatnot? And you can move on to the next chapter. The next chapter is candlesticks. Candlesticks is very important. As you can see, candlesticks and the candlesticks behavior. You need to know these things. This is very, very important because the candlesticks tells a story. The market itself is an ongoing story, but the candlesticks tells a part of a story. Each candlestick has a life of its own. So just imagine how we're going into this. It's like layers into what we need to know as far as how we see the market, so that we can have a great way of actually approaching what we see. Again, perception and preference is very important to us, right? And again, you will have questions afterwards that will be able to test you. I'm not there to test you. You have to be honest with yourself, right? So I would be honest and true to myself about these things and kind of go through the course and answer these questions and whatnot. Chapter 3, part 2 on candlesticks, very important. It would be candlestick strength and weaknesses, as well as candlestick math. Again, remember, I tell you that a candlestick has a life of its own. Each candlestick has a life of its own. So if every candlestick has a life of its own, imagine when we put 2 candlesticks together. Suppose we marry a candlestick together. What would you get? You would get more of a story that you could go off of. Right? But we're going to get into that. I don't want to get too deep into what we have, but already you can tell that we're digging into each component of this machine that's called trading, because again, we have to put it all together. I always tell our members that you are more of an investigator. So this is an investigation. So the more information that we can compile, the more that we can get closer to the truth and to, of what this investigation has at hand, right? And again, you have questions after that. Chapter 14, we're just going to run through it. Charting system setup. I would actually help you. We have this, but we have instructors that would help you to build your chart if you don't have a chart platform that you already use. But if you're a new person, if you're a new trader and you don't have a platform, we will help you with that. Not a problem. Change your life is a video after that. Chapter 5, trends and ranges. Very, very important. A lot of people don't know about trends and ranges, or they just know what was taught to them. Higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs for a downtrend. What makes a true range, right? So we're going to go deep into that. You will learn a lot of information on that will be useful going forward. All right. You will be tested after that, of course, on your knowledge and what you learned on that chapter. Chapter 16, true support and resistance. Another component into your trading method, into your trading style or your trading system that you would need to know. We teach a very, very different way of learning of noticing and identifying what a support and resistance is. Okay, so again, we're digging into it. We're digging into it, and to the point where we're going to be able to put all this together and click it together and it snap together, and it will actually give you a perception of the market, and you would have a preference on how to approach that market. All right. On chapter 7, we have trading setup. This is where you would actually see the setup, and you would actually see all those components before the candlestick, the support and resistance, the trend. You would put those components together, and now you would actually see a setup, what we call a setup in the market, that we will have a chance to actually get involved with. All setups are not good at setups. You know, there's setups all day on the market, but it might not be for you. So we have to pick and choose our battles. So we have to know exactly what setup we want to see. We want to see, have confirmation with those setups, to know that those setups are more high probabilities than other, and we can go with it. Chapter 8, it would be entries and exits. We'll show you how to enter or exit a trade using the candlestick formations. Remember, if we have a candlestick that has a story and we marry those candlesticks together, we have more information, and they form a formation, a candlestick formation, that will allow you to enter trades and exit trades. All right. And on the last final one, we put it all together. This is where I will show you how to put everything you learned in this basic training into a profitable system in a way that you can approach the market and make a consistent, profitable profits from the market. All right, and I'll put it all together for you. I'll show you a couple of examples and whatnot. Okay, and yeah, it's real quick. It's about all of the videos. I think the longest video may be 40 minutes. Maybe 40 minutes. So if you put it all together, it's not much. The next steps, what to do, more resources for you. And before you go, I have another survey for you. What did you think about this? How can we help you in any way going forward and whatnot? Okay. And yeah, that is the whole course right there. Now, with the course, again, you will get the follow me strategy. And the follow me strategy, once you learn all of this, let me see, how can I get back? I want to go here, and then I want to go to my dashboard. All right, your student dashboard. Very, very simple to maneuver through this university, or not. And once you finish the course, then you will have more insight on how to use the follow me strategy. The follow me strategy, as we go through here, very simply, only has 2 parts to it. These are videos, and it will show you how to use the strategy. It gives you examples. It allows you to do examples, and you can go over these videos over and over until you really, really know exactly how to use the strategy, how to approach it, how to deal with it, whatnot. All right, so that's the follow me strategy. Also, with the enrollment, the purchase of enrollment, what you'll get alongside with the strategy is our Discord. We'll offer you 1 month of Discord to our Comedic Trading Group Help Center. All right. The Help Center is very cool. We're going to launch it. We haven't launched yet, but we're launching it today. And we're going to start helping people. The Discord is only $25 a month. And with $25 a month, again, with purchase of the course, you actually get a month free. So with the $25 a month, what you will get is live trading every Tuesdays and Thursdays, 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. Eastern time. Right? You will get educational information that our people will fill up. Our instructors will fill up and give you more information, more things to study and whatnot as you go through it. All right. You also will get announcements as KTG, any question that you need to know or whatnot. Merchandise. We have merchandise. And we will also, this is not what they call signal services. This is not what you call a signal service. This is a community help center. Along with the community help center, we will be getting trade alerts. Again, disclaimer, this is only educational purposes. You must do your own due diligence. If we give an alert, you must still go through your own investigation. But we will be giving alerts. We will be giving thoughts of what our instructors are thinking and how we can approach it and whatnot. But again, disclaimer, this is not a signal service. It's for educational purposes only. As well as we will be dealing with, of course, Forex. All right, all of the markets on Forex. All right. We'll be dealing with some binary options on Nadex for those who want to deal with that particular platform. We'll be dealing with precious metals. We will also be dealing with oils and stuff like that. We didn't put it up. And of course, we will be dealing with Bitcoin. Here is where you can put your thoughts on. Here you can put your thoughts on what you think about, certain setups, this and that. We'll be putting our thoughts. I'll be back and forth actually answering all questions all through the Discord. So it's a very, very good, very, very good place to be. And of course, we just don't want to give you the information and just send you out there to the sharks and whatnot. We actually want to help you. So it's kind of like you have KTG in your back pocket. With the Discord at $25, just think about it. The live trading, if you make money with us on the live trading, because you're more than welcome to shadow us and trade with us, you 9 times out of 10 will probably make way more than $25 a month. So the actual enrollment will pay for itself. This is why we don't say words like lose or spend. We say stuff like circulate. So here, if you think about it, the $150 of enrollment will actually circulate and pay for itself. This is a lifetime thing. The $25 will circulate. It will pay for itself. It's $25 a month for all of this information. You really can't lose. All right. So again, I didn't want to make it long. I did not want to make this long, drawn out and whatnot. I just wanted to give you guys a virtual tour of what we have going. And again, we're launching this today. Anybody who's interested, even if you did not enroll into the university, you can just enroll into the KTG Community Help Center for traders. For $25 a month, you cannot beat it. We're actually giving out a free month to new students, new members. So right away, if you just inquire about this, you get a free month. And you can check it out if you like it. You're more than willing to ride with us. Right? If not, we thank you for your time and your thoughts into us. And, we bid you a fair due. And we really hope that everything works out for you in the future. And that's that. We keep it business. We really appreciate it. Thank you so much for joining me again. And peace to all. Peace to all. Thank you so much. Oh, man, one more last thing, man. Listen, if you don't get your training from KTG, hell, we both lose money. So why not invest in yourself? Why not invest in your family members, maybe somebody young, maybe somebody you might want to have to go through the university. You might be investing in them so that they can build generational wealth for your family. Also, too, I want to announce that anybody under 18 years old that want to become a member of KTG, we actually giving partial scholarships. So at 150, we're cutting it half down to $75 enrollment fee for 18 years and under, male or female, it does not matter, and it does not matter the age group. We prefer at least the age of 6. I think our lowest student that we have is 6 years old, and so we prefer at least 6 years old. But 6 to 18 years old, partial scholarship, $75. And again, man, if y'all don't get your trainer from KTG, we both lose money. Peace.